Cheers!
Today I'll be showing you the best cooking class in Italy. My name is Kyara, and if you know me, you know I don't like to cook. But
Today we are at Trattoria Terranova,
which is a rustic and beautiful farmhouse and incredible cooking class on the coast of Sorrento. Before we get started, here's a little rundown of the things we made and ate.
we just cooked some ravioli, like lemon cheese thing, bruschetta, bread and wine. I feel like I'm in France.
This is a good time to let you know that I'm an architecture student studying abroad for the semester in Paris, and I'm from Montreal. Also, I'd like to thank our Airbnb hosts, Nello and Valerio, for this incredible day. And without further ado, let's go make some Italian food. I definitely recommend wearing something flowy, but wearing all white is definitely a risky move. Thankfully, I left with no stains.
Cheers!
We started preparing the best homemade ravioli. First, we made the dough, kneaded it, then we rolled it out, and finally spun it to make thin pasta sheets. We then proceeded to make the filling, which was simply ricotta, some seasoning, eggs, and that's all. The filling was ready, and our next step was making the ravioli. We first filled the dough, then made ravioli pockets, and finally cut it with the cookie cutter tool. I think Vani was better at this step than me. Our ravioli was plated and ready to be cooked. The first appetizer we made was mozzarella on lemon leaves, or like Rosella would say,
cheese with lemon flavors.
This was super easy, and all you needed was some salt and pepper, some lemons, some lemon zest and lemon leaves, and that's about it. Oh, and don't forget the mozzarella. Next, we made bruschetta. I hope I said that right. And all you needed was
Tomatoes, basil, garlic, and extra virgin olive oil, our product.
We then mixed all the ingredients together, and as I got the bread, I dropped it, but that didn't stop us from toasting it on the pan. We then garnished the bruschetta, then took a couple photos before making our way to the prettiest dining room. After about an hour of getting our aprons dirty in the kitchen, making jokes, and living in the moment, we sat down and got ready for a dining experience. Here's the first course setup that we very much enjoyed with a glass of wine.
Cheers!
We cheersed the bruschetta and both rated it a 10 on 10. We finished it really quickly and then tried the mozzarella on lemon leaves. And of course, we had to have
The Vani, the wine at 11 a.m.
At 11.
This is the wine that we had, and it was absolutely amazing. The ravioli, however, was the star of the show.
I'm gonna say ciao and just mouth it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ciao!
But this was probably one of the best raviolis I've ever had.
We just ate our ravioli.
We're so ready to go make tiramisu.
Cheers to Sorrento.
So this was my first time making as well as trying tiramisu. We used egg yolk, some sugar, mascarpone cheese, some coffee, lady fingers, and unsweetened cocoa powder. We made our way back to the table and our dessert was served.
Tiramisu.
This was a perfect way to end our cooking and dining experience at Trattoria Terranova. The owner, Luigi, picked us up at our Airbnb and drove us to and from the farm. He told us that
in this part of Sorrento,
this town has no time or internet. I thought this was shocking, but also imagined how peaceful and laid back it must be. I truly loved this experience and felt immersed into the Italian culture. Behind the scenes, we talked, laughed, and created the best memories together. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. My next Italy video will show you where to stay, as well as more unreal things to do in Sorrento. Follow me on Instagram if you would love to see more of my journey. Here are some wholesome and lovely clips. Hope you enjoy.